Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. Today I want to talk to you about what I carry every day on my duty belt, which is this Streamlight Strion HL LED flashlight. I've had this for about 5 years now and haven't had to change the battery or do any maintenance on it. It works great, is very bright, and is always available, and is very convenient with the holster that I got with it also. What I love about this holster is that it can articulate 360 degrees in any direction that's most comfortable for you. It also just clips in and out, and it also comes with a lock that you can just flip with a thumb, and then it makes it where it can't come out, and it's simply just flip it and it's out. I love how it goes quickly in and out. As I'm dealing with people, I can quickly access my flashlight when needed. If you're interested in either one of these items, there will be a link down in the description below. Pick yourself up one.